Fuzzbud.
It's a bird.
I kept picking up this cat. I don't know who owns the cat, and I don't know where the owner was, but if the owner wondered what I was doing was I was putting the cat down and looking at her back legs. Her back legs, ladies and gentlemen, are perfectly straight.
That's hard.
They don't go out to the side. She's not cowhocked. Her legs are firm. She's got good muscle tone in them. And folks, it is possible. Don't tell me that old Persians just stand that way.
Long-haired alters were posting numbers 4, 5, and grade 8.
Yeah, it's nice. Really nice.
Do you see those back legs?
Yeah.
Those back legs are straight.
Yeah.
Now,
As straight as they can be on a sliding table.
That's right. But if this breeder can get this, then you can too. Perfect the breed.
Sorry, there will be short-hair alters.
Structure is very important to know.
This is my best kid.
Yay!
The Siamese is my second best kid. Now, I did not choose her because she has straight back legs. I chose her because look at what else is there. Little round face, little teeny ears where they're supposed to be, big round eyes, color coming through nicely, beautifully presented. She's just about ready to drop the kitten coat, but look at the box. Look at the box on her. It's right there. She is my best She is my best tabby and white kitten, tabby and white Persian kitten, best and white Persian kitten, best Persian kitten, best long hair, best kitten.
Yay!
Congratulations. Thank you.